Righto, the next job, get the tractor tyre off the back of the ute and get it on the tractor.
Well, good morning everyone, and thank you for joining us today on another day on the farm. If you haven't already done it, click the subscribe button down the bottom of the screen, and if you click the notifications also, you get all the videos that we put up. Well, it's a really nice looking day here today. We've got blue sky, not much cloud around at the moment. The cattle are over there waiting for their food. So why don't you tag along with me while I give them a feed, and we'll see what other trouble we can get up to. Let's go farming.
Righto, the next job, get the tractor tyre off the back of the ute and get it on the tractor. It's bloody heavy. Oh, I should have put the wheel weight on first, shouldn't I? Oh dear, okay.
Okay, so let's just have a bit of a check in here on the potatoes to see how they're progressing. These are the King Edwards, going just beautifully. They'll be a bit later than what the pink eyes are because they're not flowering yet. They are a later potato. So over here we have the second lot of pink eyes. Most of these are just starting to flower, and we do have 3 weeks before we start digging. Up here we have some broad beans on the go, a little bit later than normal, probably because of the weather that we've had. But they're starting to get pods on them now, so they should be ready for Christmas. And we have the other pink eyes here and on the other side of the beans there. They're going great. Most of those are flowering now. I did dig one up yesterday, and there was 14 potatoes under it. So as I said, they're starting to flower. As you can see, flowers actually on this one have started to die, and then they get the fruit on them. When they start to get the fruit on the plant like that, you can say they're just about ready to pull up and ready to eat. Down here we have more Kennebecks. These are going really good as well. It's a little hard to tell how big they are until you get down pretty close to them. But I mean, they're only put in, what, 3 or 4 weeks ago, so going exceptionally well. And in this area here, for some reason, everything grows absolutely exceptionally well. I mean, look at that. Look at that for a potato plant that was put in, 3 or 4 weeks ago. Just outstanding. So once they start to flower and the flowers die and the plant starts to die, the Kennebacks will be ready to harvest as well. With the later potatoes, you usually wait until the plant starts to die. With early potatoes, just after they flower, you can get some very, very tasty small young potatoes from them. Righto. See ya.